Hey, today I'm making a pair of Muay Thai style inspired shorts for my friend Sandro, using only recycled fabric. To make the shorts I'm using a scrap cotton fabric, the inner lining of an old jacket and the D-rings of a small handbag. First, I take the measurements of my friend's waist, desired shorts length and leg opening. I'm using a pair of Muay Thai shorts as pattern, and to trace the back side of the shorts, I fold them in half and I mark the fabric focusing on the crotch seam, as the actual shorts length will be longer. Then I continue with marking the measurements of desired shorts length and leg opening. End to end, I just cut the fabric. Now I fold the front side of the shorts in half. And I repeat the same process I did before to trace the back side of the shorts. I'm sewing the two front sides of the shorts together, and I'm doing the same with the two back sides of the shorts, but only from the top to the crotch, leaving the legs open. I'm sewing the two sides together before we straight stitch and after we zigzag stitch to prevent the fabric from fray. I'm also top stitching along the seam with straight stitch. I'm sewing front and back sides together only along the leg seams. And then I'm also top stitching along the seam with straight stitch, as I did before. Unfortunately, I cannot wear anymore this jacket, as the faux leather is all peeling off, so I'm using its inner lining to make the pockets and the waistband of the shorts. After removing the inner lining, I fold the fabric in half and I pin it in place to cut two pockets of 16 cm per 20 cm, including 1 cm of seam allowance per side. Before sewing the pockets to the shorts, remember to serge the raw edges of the pocket or to sew zigzag stitch to prevent the fabric from fray, and then just sew the hem on the top edge of the pocket. I pin the pockets to the back side of the shorts, making sure to place them symmetrical to each other. I'm sewing the pockets to the shorts by folding the fabric on the inside of the pocket as I sew. And now I can sew the two side seams of the shorts. With the remaining inner lining of the jacket, I'm going to make the waistband of the shorts. I'm cutting two strips of fabric 20 cm high, and long as the waist measurement of my friend. Then, to recreate the look of the Muay Thai shorts waistband, I'm sewing a 10 cm long strip of fabric in between the other two, but with the grain line of the fabric going on the opposite direction. To make the casing for the elastic, I fold the waistband in half, and I sew 4 straight seams with a space of 2 cm in between. I pin the waistband to the shorts starting from the center, on the front side of the shorts. Then I sew the waistband to the shorts with straight stitch starting from the center part, and after I serge the raw edges with zigzag stitch. After cutting 4 strings of elastic, with the help of a safety pin, I insert the elastic through each opening. I cut the extra part of the elastic strings and I sew the two sides of the waistband together. Then I sew the small gap in between the waistband and shorts fabric and I top stitch along the seams with straight stitch. sew the hem along the bottom of the legs with straight stitch by folding twice the fabric as I sew. And to end, I'm taking off the D-rings from the handles of this old bag, and I'm going to hand sew 2 of them on each bottom side of the legs, using this thick cotton thread. And here is the final result, a new pair of summer shorts, Muay Thai style inspired, all made with recycled fabric and materials. If you're into combat sports and you understand also some Italian, go to check Sandro's channel, otHers. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and see you at the next project.